Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Anyway, this morning we give you a nice, lovely, rich coconut cornmeal porridge. It's the best, and I'm telling you, it's just good for you. Keep it healthy, and it's amazing. So remember, if you got too much money, you always can donate some to Chef Ricardo YouTube channel, and we are working so hard to get this studio out. And thank you so much, and leave your comments, which is very important. Get a copy of the cookbook 50% off on Amazon at the moment. And thank you so much, guys, for watching my cooking show. See you next time. Bye-bye. I'm back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. But today we want to make you a rich coconut cornmeal porridge at home. Basically, to make the rich coconut cornmeal porridge, this is the way it starts. We got vanilla essence. We got grounded nutmeg egg, cinnamon and mixed spice, coconut milk. This is condensed milk and coconut rich milk. Cornmeal in a big bowl. First thing what you need to do is to pour some cornmeal. This is 8 cups of cornmeal. 1 cup of cornmeal inside of a jug like this. After you pour the cornmeal, get some whole milk like this one. Pour it like this. And get a wooden spoon and simply give it a mix. Lovely. So this is the part 1 of how you're gonna start it. I'll show you how part 2 stay. This is the next section which I want to show you, guys. Right inside of here I have 2 cups of water, and as I can see start to curdle up. That means it soon get boiling. But what I want to simply say to you, this is what the first thing we're gonna do. Put all the pot on the stove with that 2 cups of water. And then all you're going to do is to add coconut milk, half cans of coconut milk, or half cups of coconut milk. That's the creamy one. Vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla essence, teaspoon. Half teaspoon of mixed spice. Half teaspoon of grounded nutmeg egg. And a pinch of cinnamon. Cinnamon is very strong. And a pinch of salt. You don't have to put salt if you don't like salt. Give it a mix. What you're gonna do, add, you can give it 2 more seconds for it to get boiled, but you don't have to, because the water is still hot same way. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the cornmeal to it. Lovely, that's the cornmeal. Just continue to give it a stir until it's gonna get thick. Alright, on a high temperature at the moment. And I'm using a non-stick pot So give this roughly about 6 minutes and keep just stirring it like this. Nice. So as you can see, this is how it thick. Rich cornmeal porridge, coconut milk. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna turn on your stove a little bit lower now and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. Nice and lovely. So guys, if you think the porridge is a little bit too thick, yeah, what you can do is do this. Just simple, add a little bit more milk and get it correct. Because when it's thick, it's easy to correct more than when it's not thick. So that's better. I always say them in my video, if you're making cornmeal porridge, make sure when it's thick, it's easy to correct more than when it's not thick. Lovely. So leave that for another 4 to 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. So roughly, the porridge has cooked now. So I'll make it cook for roughly about 20 minutes. Make sure it cook right and proper way on a medium size heat. So basically we're gonna add some sweetness to it now by simple add condensed milk. So I'm using 1 can of condensed milk. Give it a taste. That is beautiful. Really nice. So what you do, if you're making your porridge at home, sweeten and taste as it goes along. So I'm gonna leave this for about 4 more minutes. I don't need to add nothing else to it. No sugar, no salt, no more spices. Everything is perfect. Rich coconut cornmeal porridge. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished and I'm gonna share it out. Looking lovely and nice, as you can see. This is finished. So you can share it out, serve it with hard bread or whatever you like, you can serve it with. So enjoy the recipe and thank you so much for watching my cooking show, Chef Ricardo. Nice and lovely. So exactly what we're talking about. I just share it out and this is the way it looks, guys. Cornmeal porridge with hard bread. Can't go wrong. Lovely and nice. In Jamaica, you just break up the bread, put it inside and have it for your breakfast. So enjoy it, guys, and you know you can give the kids them this. Make the kids them brighter and make them stronger. And also it's good for us. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show.